This also has their signature sweet, salty,
choppy.
It's sunny at most days.
Mini-makeup na ako ni Sir Marcy Vergara. Say hi to the vlog. Okay, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung final look and then baka mag-two-looks kami kasi dalawa yung outfit. Meron tayong shoot in the morning and shoot in the afternoon. This is the first look. I'm just wearing this blazer and shorts na terno I got from Shein. Tapos ito, actually pantulog ko to. First, this is my final sa makeup. So, I love it kasi gusto ko wave lang yung hair ko. Alam ko ng mga tight na curl. Thank you so much, Sir Marcy. Ito yung kitchen na sinet up nila dito sa studio. Hindi tayo magluluto later. We're going to prepare 2 dishes using Pampanga's best products. Hello! So, nag-change ako ng outfit kasi bawal pala yung lace. So, I'm wearing the supposedly second outfit for the first shoot that I got from Shein. Ito, I think, nasa 700 or 800 lang. Yung kanina na blazer and shorts, parang nasa 800 or 800 to 900. Details. So, it's ruffled and it's, ayan, parang see-through siya. Lunch muna kami kasi nag-brown out. Naka-ano lang to ngayon. Naka-light sa cellphone ni Pambean. Hello! So, may power na ulit. May kuryente na ulit. And yan, they decided to dye my hair para sure na hindi tatakip sa face. Kanina, while brown out, nag-voice over kami for the ingredients and procedure. And basa-basa lang din ako after kumain. This is my current read, Atomic Habits. And hindi ko pa rin siya natatapos bagal ko magbasa. Hindi ko nalulugaran. Anyway, ito yung iba kong kasama sa library ko. May pa. All good si Sir Herbie. Sir Herbie, sa akin yung black milk coffee.
Black milk coffee yan?
Black milk coffee, yes. All good. Share ko lang. Ito yung favorite flavor ko. It's black milk coffee. So, meron siyang pour-over coffee, meron pearls. Really like it kasi parang siyang cross ng milk tea and black coffee. Today, we're going to prepare Chicken Tocino Peri Peri using Pampanga's best Chicken Tocino.
Mag-linger lang ng konti sa smile sa pause at Pampanga's best smile Chicken Tocino. 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Pampanga's Best Kitchen. Today, I'm going to share with you a very simple recipe na sigurado ako kaya mo rin gawin at home. Today, we're going to prepare Chicken Tocino Peri Peri using Pampanga's best Chicken Tocino.
Fun fact lang guys, Pampanga's best ang original maker of tocino in the world. So, sila yung nag-start nun and 50 years na natin na i-experience yung sarap ng Pampanga's best.
More than 50 years.
More than 50 years. This also has their signature sweet, salty,
choppy.
Fun fact lang guys, Pampanga's best ang original maker of tocino in the world. So, sila yung nag-start nun and more than 50 years na nating na-i-experience yung sarap ng Pampanga's best. Truly, mula noon hanggang ngayon, hindi nagbabago ang timpla. Sila din actually yung nag-start ng Chicken Tocino and this is the low-fat version of our favorite tocino. This also has their sweet, salty with hint of barbecue na flavor.
and you can use a frying pan, griller, or
And you can use a frying pan, griller, or griddle. Yan. We need to cook each side ng 7 to 9 minutes.
Pwede ba ako magsalita dito? O
Yes.
makikita siya?
Pwede ka magsalita.
Okay. So, hindi ko pa natitikman, pero naaamoy ko na and ang sarap ng amoy.
Malapit na siyang maluto and naaamoy ko na ang sarap-sarap niya. In Kapampangan, we actually say manyaman, and to shorten it, we say nyaman, which means sarap.
Parang pang ID story.
So, ang gagawin ko lang, ganito, tapos gagawin ko.
Yeah. Tapos pwede thumbs up para amoy-amoy niya. Big smiles, energy, and go, ma'am.
And here you have our Chicken Tocino Peri Peri.
Yaman na talaga eh. Paano mo dapat? Sige nga, kayo muna nga bago.
Arvin ko. Yaman na talaga, next. Parang di ba? And cue.
Yaman na talaga eh.
Pagka marunong ka ng linya, huwag kang magduda sa linya mo. Ayan.
Conviction.
Yaman na talaga eh.
Yun.
Now it's time to taste it. Yaman na talaga eh. Welcome to Pampanga's Best Kitchen. I'm Tristine, and today I'm going to share with you a very simple recipe na sigurado ako kayang-kaya mo ring gawin at home. We are going to prepare Chicken Tocino Carbonara using Pampanga's Best Chicken Tocino. So the first step is we cut the chicken tocino into strips. Pampanga's Best is actually the first one na maglabas ng chicken tocino. It's the low-fat version of our favorite tocino. It also has that sweet, salty, and hint of barbecue flavor that we all like. We're going to use another Pampanga's Best product, Pampanga's Best Brickle Bacon. Their Brickle Bacon has long strips of pork belly. So we're going to fry it until it's crispy.
Ganda naman ang ilawan nyo dito, ha? We are finally done with the shoot. Time check, it's 5:30. So, dumating ako dito ng 9 o'clock yata. And yun, 5:30 na, pack up na tayo. Mag-group shot na lang kami. So, papakilala ko sa inyo yung team, si Smartworks Creative. Sila yung nag-shoot nitong video. Ay, si Ma'am Bean, tapos si Ma'am Pritzel, si Sir Hervey, and then si Sir Jurel. Parang kukunin ka ng liwanag dyan dito sa kabanda. Sir Van, tama. Si Sir Harvey. Arvin, and then si Sir Pao. Say Smartworks Creatives. Charot. All good.